Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about free email subject line software. I'm going to show you a software that's totally free to use, and there'll be a link in the description. So free to use for you. Link in the description below this video. And what I'll do is I'll go through a live demo in the video today. So when you first click on it, you're going to come to a page like this, but once you start using it, all the different functions, the points, it teaches you what to do, but also what not to do, which is really a key factor in getting your emails delivered into the inbox and not into the spam folder. So please click subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of all my future videos. I've done mainly my videos, I do email marketing, email software, free and paid, marketing tools, list building. So I've done lots of email related videos, over 240 videos on this channel. And I've also done a playlist, this one here on list building. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this playlist to the top comment under this video if you like playlists and you want to have a look through those 6 there, and I'll probably add this one to that as well. So the site itself is called SendCheckIt. So I'm trying to highlight that there, it's not working. There we go. So top left hand corner there, you'll see SendCheckIt, and it's an email subject line tester, and it compares it to 100,000 plus other emails sent by marketers just like you. Totally free to use. I tend to keep you can bookmark it. I tend to keep it open in my tab all the time because I use it every day. And what we're going to do is, you'll see here, this is what I used yesterday for one of my emails that I send out. The first one is a point system and very solid subject line that should perform well for you. So let's just have a look down at why this works so well and all the different functions within the software, and then we can put in another one. Actually, let's just do that now. Let's just put one that doesn't work really well and just show you how the score changes. So if I put the words free to join and free to use, then let's have a look and see what score that comes up with. 79 points. It's a big red computer says no. So you should be able to significantly improve this subject. So let's go back to one that's working, one that I used yesterday. I think it was, there it is. Did you see this? So you see here we've gone from 79 points and red to green. And scannability is the next category. So it has a scannability of higher than 5. So average 5, lower is better. So that's probably one of the only red notifications that I'm getting here, that this is not a very good subject line. So it says here, don't shy away from using well-known industry specific terms, just don't make it complicated. So the lower is better on scannability. For my reading grade level, it says here it's average, 7th grade, lower is better, was written at 1st grade level, so I've got a big green for that, which is really good. It goes into the length of the characters that you use for the subject line. So this contains 18 characters in 4 words, and gives you a description here of, says here, just don't make it too short, which is what I've done there. I've got a green go ahead, but it says here I've only got 18 characters and the average is 52 characters within 8 words. So it gives you what to work on with your future subject lines. Gives you a nice preview of how things look on both sort of tablet and desktop and laptop inboxes, but also over here on the mobile device. A lot more people reading emails on the mobile phones, so you can see how that looks. The sentiment is really good, so not much negativity in there, quite neutral and positive. And this is really going more into what not to do. So this is really good. So you don't want RE short for reference, or FWD short for forward. You don't want that in the subject line. So I don't have any of that. And it says here, a pitiful number of emails start with caps lock RE or forward FWD. And it uses the word pitiful, 1%. I haven't put the word free in the subject line. So spammers and low rent marketers have overused the word free, so it's best to avoid it at all possible. Only 2%, 2.34% of emails now contain the word free. So again, letting you know to avoid the word free. This is really good. Spammy words, keep away from the spammy words. So I've got no potentially spammy words found. 6.49% contain something likely to get them marked as spam. So that's where what we're looking at here. We're looking to get delivered into the inbox and not into the spam folder. Bad tab words. So you don't have to, every time you do an email, you don't have to read through all these. Just get an idea of what they're looking for, what they're not looking for, what not to use. Don't use exclamation marks. Don't use all caps. 10% of emails are all caps. And then all you need to do is just look for the high score at the top of here and look for all the green here. So I can improve. There's no excessive punctuation there from me. This is good. This is what I can improve on here. I've got no personalization, so I need to start putting a first name in here or personalize it. It gives you a little tip. Try personalizing your subject with name, industry, title, or interest or geographic information. Question. So that's what I've done in there. I put a question mark in there. 10% of emails. Good to have a question mark. All lowercase. So I've done both of these. I put a question mark and I've done all lowercase. This is a good tip here. Lowercase in your entire subject is a stylistic choice that can make your subject stand out in a crowded inbox. It can be a good way to signal it's more personal and a less corporate message. And look at this, only 0.86% are entirely lowercase. That's why you're going to get an A minus. Talks about here about using emojis. Using more emojis to give it more of an emotional impact on for the reader. So that's pretty much we've done that one there. We got A plus 101 points, and you saw the previous one that I put in that got lots of red and a lower score. So click the link below in the description and get your free software. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and click subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. If you've got any questions on SendCheckIt, so go to SendCheckIt.com and you can start, there'll be a link in the description and you can start using your email software straight away. Put any questions in the comments, I'll answer all those for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.